Ready to turn your eBay passion into your full-time reality. This is your ultimate guide to transitioning to a career as an eBay seller, packed with actionable steps for sustainable success. First, let's nail down your business plan. Think of this as your roadmap. Define your niche. What will you sell? Identify your target audience and research your competition. This early planning will save you time and money down the line. Product sourcing is your lifeblood. Explore different avenues: wholesale suppliers for consistent inventory, liquidation lots for bargain finds, or even crafting your own unique items. Don't forget about thrift stores or garage sales for those hidden gems. The key is finding profitable products with demand. Now, let's talk listings and marketing. High-quality photos are non-negotiable. Write clear, concise, and keyword-rich descriptions. Utilize eBay's promotional tools. Consider social media marketing to drive traffic and build a brand that resonates with buyers. Financial management is crucial for long-term success. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Set aside funds for taxes, understand your profit margins, and reinvest wisely. Treat your eBay venture as a legitimate business from day one. Finally, focus on customer service and continuous improvement. Respond to inquiries promptly, ship orders efficiently, and handle returns professionally. Analyze your sales data to identify what works and what doesn't. Adapting and learning are key to staying ahead. Mastering these steps will pave your way to building a thriving full-time eBay business. It takes dedication, smart strategy, and a commitment to growth. Start today and make your eBay dream your full-time career.